everybody, today we are traveling to Rock City Park in Olean, New York. They have some amazing rock formations. They're gigantic. They're awesome. What are we waiting for? Let's go.
You will soon enter a wonderland, carved through nature by God's own hands. From atop the rocks, a majestic view. Down below, a fantastic surprise for you. Gigantic boulders amidst the green. A more awesome sight you've seldom seen. Stupendous, colossal, we hear folks say. I am sure glad we came today. These mighty rocks you have set apart. Truly, Lord, how great thou art.
Beautiful and surreal.
We finally arrived at Rock City Park. Make sure you wear comfortable clothes and shoes because they have a 1 mile hike. Let's go take a look at that bear over there. Man, what a cool sculpture. It actually kind of looks real. Did you know Rock City is one of the oldest parks in America? It was once a fortress for the Native Americans. I think it's time to check it out.
Many miles away. On a clear day, one can see as far as 35 miles. To the right.
See that Bigfoot over there? It's a good Bigfoot. Oh, Lord.
I saw Bigfoot. This is not cool, this is awesome.
Yeah! These rock formations! I can't believe the rock just formed this by itself. So cool. Oh, now we're in Fat Man Squeeze! If you're fat, you can't squeeze
through! Go ahead, go this way, guys.
This place is amazing! This was once a prehistoric ocean floor. Let's keep hiking! This place is a natural wonder. Yes! No. Wow.
Grammy's big adventure.
It's so much cooler over here, temperature-wise. I can feel the breeze coming through.
Did you know this place has a ton of quartz, meaning rocks that I found? This place is basically a prehistoric ocean, so this might be a fish bed. I don't know what this says.
It's amazing! Yay!
It's just like, look at the roots. I'm cutting it the right way.
I can't believe you went up this. I can't believe you went up there. Look at that.
73, and if I did it, you can do it too. Rock City Park. Yay!
Hey guys, you should really book a trip to Rock City Park. This place is amazing. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Peace. Let me tell you something, that was really fun. I had a very good time. Buffalo welcome, we'll have to explore. This place is simply amazing. Watch, I'm gonna make the buffalo stand right here. 1, 2, 3. Watch, I'm gonna make our buffalo appear right there. Hey, I want to make my buffalo on that mountain. Everybody, nature rules! Listen, nature rules! Hike.
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 Buffalo Wild Club.
Hike. Right here.